Good job. Can I do it too? Good job.
We're practicing for your trumpet, Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah. Hey, Henry, how'd you get all that stuff on your face? What's all that stuff on your face, baby? Did you just eat some food? Was it delicious? Say Happy Cinco de Mayo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.